creating screencast video and uploading on YouTube. As a teacher, one may be interested to interact with the students by creating a screencast video. Screencasting a video can be done using various softwares. Freely available of them are examples like Screencast-O-Matic or PowerSoft free screen recorder. In order to create a screencast video, one can access Screencast-O-Matic software by visiting the website screencast-O-Matic.com, and it clearly mentions that teachers can record their video free of cost by clicking on this blue button. And once you click on this launch free recorder button, the download of the launcher will start. It may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once download is completed, you need to install by double clicking on the downloaded software and click on the run button. The downloader will now download the necessary components from the Screencast-O-Matic website, and the initial phase of settings will happen for the first time user. You can also sign up on the Screencast-O-Matic website here, which will facilitate your access to the website in future attempts. The screen shall appear as you see in this section of the window now after the software starts up. For the first time installation, it may require software to be updated to the latest version. And once these initial steps are completed, one would be free to start recording own screencast video, and this is the selection window. Anything which appears within this selection window now shall be recorded. You can adjust this selection window to any length or height you want, and once this is set, the recording shall commence. As far as settings are concerned, the window has options like recording only the screen or only the webcam. That means if you want yourself to be recorded, this can facilitate that. And sometimes one may choose to record both the screen as well as the speaker. So the maximum time allowed for free recording on the online Screencast-O-Matic system is 15 minutes, and the size of the window can be adjusted using this location. The narration can be done by the default microphone, or one can choose any additional microphone one has installed on the system. If you want to mute the computer audio, you do not need to change any settings, but if you want the computer audio to be recorded, you need to adjust settings here. And once you click on this record button here, the recording shall start with the countdown, and once this recording has started, whatever you do, you present your screen with along with this audio, your voice will be recorded with the system. And once this recording is done, you need to pause this and then to click on the done button here on the screen. And once it is done, it will ask you about what next should be done. You can use this button to edit the length of the video, or you can zoom the video, or you can add text or subtitles to the video, or you can simply save the video here for further upload. I chose this option because this secures my video on my system first, and once I get this option, I choose the save as video option. I have to enter the location where the video will be saved, and that will be any folder of my computer. So I have chosen my documents folder here, and once I have chosen, it now demonstrates that it is going to be saved in my documents folder. Now I shall publish the video by clicking on the green publish button, and this blue bar indicates the progress of the process. And once the video is recorded, published on my system, I can copy the path and I can click on done button. And now the video is recorded and it is saved on the system, as I can see now. So the recording too is saved on my system. So when we need to verify the recording also before being published on YouTube or any other website. So once this is verified, it assures that our video should fulfill quality, and then we may proceed for an upload on YouTube. So this is how we record a screencast video using Screencast-O-Matic. Now pause the video for a minute and on a rough sheet write the advantages of screencast video. Now let's see what are the advantages of screencast video, and I hope your notings are matching with few of the advantages which I have jotted down. The visual and kinesthetic students who are more attracted to what they see and learn from that, those students can be addressed, and these screencast videos are a solution to engage all learners, including visual and kinesthetic students. The students can watch the video before coming to class. Online learning material for students is created using screencast videos, and these resources are a very helpful tool to review and enhance their knowledge base. The students have flexible study hours with these screencast videos, and they are free to learn at their own pace, which is a very important aspect in the learning outcomes scenario in the new NAC grading policy for the slow learners and the fast learners. The students can watch, pause, or replay videos whenever they want and learn at their own convenience. So with this, we now are completed with the first section of this week, that is how to create a screencast video. Thanks for your